You saw the thumbnail. We're destroying this box. In today's video, we are going to destroy this box in the stupidest way as possible, including burning it. Yeah, my brother got given this, so I'm going to build it for him in the stupidest way as possible. Right, first way, let's just punch it to hell. When I say punch it to hell, I mean it. Maybe I can return it. Don't know. Right, this is ripping off. Right. Where is it? Do not do this at home. This may be the stupidest thing I've ever done. Maybe it's like something to burn it with. There we are. That went well. Let's watch it burn. Okay. Right, we need to put that fire out. Right, so that's the aftermath. clean that. Yeah. Right. I'm not gonna build that in stupid ways. It burnt the concrete. I'm kind of stupid, you know. You know what I mean? Good old dustpan and brush. I call it a brush because it wears a brush. Alright, so I'm just going to clean that up and I'll see you in it. Alright, so I cleared that away, that's all that stuff. Now, with the build. Probably my least favorite part is technic. I absolutely hate. So then, I'm just going to skip to a montage. And that's the set complete. See it rolls, it's got a little fin that's supposed to spin. And there we are. Lift that out and yeah. Some treads down. Hate those damn treads, that's so annoying. Hey. But that. Thank you for watching and subscribe.